Hello, everybody. We are Team Hoola and we are honored to share our idea with you today. Health is important to all of us. We are beginning to learn that each part of our lifestyle impacts our health in one way or another. More people than ever before are turning to wearable sensors to monitor their activity levels. However, despite its origin in simple step counting, the market of wearable sensors is expanding into more complex arena of health monitoring. There are three main problems with the technology that is currently available. First, current sensors are not clinically regulated. Second, current sensors are difficult to navigate and use especially for the sick and the elderly. Third, current sensors provide limited insight into medical conditions by giving a mere snapshot of parameters without analysis. There have been several attempts by the market to address this. Wearable sensors, such as smartwatches that you and I are well aware of, are able to measure heart rate, oxygen, and ECG, while companies such as Boyd had developed skin patches for monitoring of vitals. However, these do not sufficiently address the need for portable sensors that are easy to use, provide a wide variety of insights, and are personalized to the patient. To overcome this problem, our team has developed a portable hospital to community solution that can be customized to the needs of individual patients. Introducing Hoola. Hoola is a modular ring-based carrier device that can be customized based on the needs of the patient. It's portable, easy to use, completely no interface, and is able to provide insights across a wide variety of conditions personalized to the patient. There are many use cases that we have identified with the potential to be disrupted by this technology. For our current pitch today, we have chosen two main use cases to illustrate the continuity of care from hospital to the community. The first use case occurs in the hospital where the ring is used as a tool for vitals monitoring. The second use case occurs in the community for monitoring of frailty in aging. In the hospital, vitals are routinely taken every 4 hours. This process is laborious and involves the use of vitals trolley, manual recording, and transcribing of this information into the computer system. Loaded with the vital monitoring module, the Hoola eliminates the need for manual vitals taking. The process can be automated with the information directly transferred to the EHR systems. Cost savings are up to $60,000 a day, with the added benefit of eliminating inaccuracies in data transcription. For example, the process takes about 15 minutes per patient, which is about 1.5 hours per day for one patient. And that is equal to 1,500 man hours for the nurses, which is about $60,000 spent per day. Out in the community, frailty is difficult to measure. Oftentimes, elderly are only found to require assistance when events such as falls occur. Through the use of sensors such as GPS, accelerometers, gyroscope, frailty score can be calculated and reflected to the family members or healthcare workers. Falls can also be picked up with emergency services informed. For the patients with dementia, geofencing can be performed where next of kin is alerted should patients exit their homes. This is an app interface that we've designed for Hoola. The market for wearable sensors is huge. There's a total available market of 142 billion and a service available market of 40 billion, and finally, a service obtainable market of 1.7 billion for which we will be targeting. We have two business models based on the setting of use. In hospitals, we will be both selling the device at a low cost and earning the bulk of revenue through software such as service. In the community, we will be earning part of the revenue through sales of the device with a freemium model used for accompanying app. Our growth strategy will focus on obtaining the necessary license and regulations to enter the market in the first 2 years. In 2024, we will enter Singapore market as a research device. At the same time, we will register for FDA and CE approval. We aim to expand to the Southeast Asia market in 2025, followed with the European and the US market in 2027. In line with our growth strategy, we have our financials projected. Costs in the first 2 years will mainly be directed to R&D as well as the fund trials. We are projected to have a revenue by 2027 with a gross margin of 72%. We have a strong team who can take on this project to success. Kritika, myself, is a biomedical engineer, PhD doctor with 5 years of entrepreneurial experience and is well published in peer-reviewed journals. Shengyang is a medical doctor, ophthalmology resident, and 5 years entrepreneurial experience and is also well published in peer-reviewed journals. Sachin is a biomedical engineer again, PhD candidate with an experience in computer simulation and product design. He is responsible for bringing the vision of the device to life. Justin, Declan, and Howard are business undergraduate from Singapore, Hong Kong, and China, respectively, and offer the business perspective to bring the device to market. We thank you for your time and hope you enjoyed Hoola.